What's going on, Poo Loogies? It's me and my boy Austin. We are the Doo-Doo Hut. This is the Doo-Doo Hut Show. And as you saw, we made some pizzas. And not just your average ordinary pizzas, but garbage pizzas. This is going to be the everything but your kitchen sink pizza.
The garbage disposal pizza?
Yeah. It's everything that you would have thrown in your garbage disposal pizza.
Everything in the kitchen sink pizza.
Yeah. This is not going to be good at all. This is not going to be joyful. That looks terrible, dude. Okay.
Oh, and by the way, I don't know if you guys know this, but if you put a pickle in the cheese blanket on the top of a pizza, it's supposed to be the piece that's eaten first.
When? When is that a rule?
Well, you're gonna eat it first. It's like a delicacy. It's like
it's a delicacy.
Yeah.
It has nothing to do with any delicacy.
If you wrapped a little piece of pineapple in cheese and you told me at the beginning of this video that that's what you have to eat first, I would have done it.
All right. I'll eat your pickle in a blanket. Now, here's what we're gonna do. We are going to play rock paper scissors to see who takes the first bite. Rock paper scissors shoot. Ah, you didn't take the first bite.
I don't. Any way I go about this, like I got a good helping of cheese and pineapple, but no pineapple, but a pound and a half of bologna with ketchup. Like who eats bologna with ketchup? Without further ado, God, it's so sticky, dude. Yuck.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, dude, this is disgusting.
You're losing most of your pizza. That looks delicious.
There's your side view.
Oh,
dude. My god, dude.
That's nuts.
Dude, I cannot.
Just do a countdown.
Like it's
and
so
then shove
degrading, bro. Like I don't even.
And then hey, just licking it.
Oh my god, dude.
Take that bite. Take it.
You better grab your bag and have it ready for me, dude.
Okay. I got you, dog. Throw it in my bag. That's a good friend right there. Throw it in my bag. Don't throw it on the pizza. You might have to take another bite.
Like, it's okay to hold it in my mouth, but if I chew it, I want to puke. Oh, it's in my nose.
Oh my! Are you gonna take it? You're gonna get it down the shaft. You're gonna get it down the throat passage. Cinco de Mayo, dude. Cinco de Mayo. Did you get it down? You can hold on to that bag.
Oh my god.
Is it that bad?
It's in my teeth, bro. Grab me water.
Oh my god.
That was so fucking vile.
I don't want to eat yours now.
Oh, that's good content. Open the door.
Are you feeling it, Mr. Krabs?
Can you feel it now, Mr. Krabs?
Sorry, I don't speak Italian. Oh my fucking god, dude.
I'm not gonna make him have another bite. I didn't think it was gonna be that bad. I honestly thought it would be fine. But the thing is he doesn't mind honey. He doesn't mind.
I don't mind that stuff, but I don't like cooked ketchup. And Kraft singles on a pizza does not work. It does not work. Like if you ever try to put Kraft singles on a pizza, I will probably find you and slap you, because it is it doesn't even like.
All right, well,
it doesn't work.
I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. You know? Oh, what the hell?
Yeah, I dealt with that too.
It's so thick.
I hope you don't puke. All I ask is you eat one bite of that pickle.
One bite of the pickle?
I don't even care.
How about I put the tip of the pickle? I'm not gonna, dude, what the hell?
That works.
Okay, I'll just put the pickle on there. The pickle's...
Get a little slice of that cheese on there too. But you, okay. I want it in your bite.
It'll be in my mind, don't trip.
Oh my god. I hope you don't puke, dude. Like I feel I
Alright.
I feel like I got what I deserved for doing what I did to that pizza.
So much bologna.
Let me see.
Bologna's my weakness, bro. I can't eat bologna. I can't eat liver.
You're lucky you didn't get the outside because I stacked it out there, dude. Like stacked it. Like how this looks, all over it.
Alright, well. I'm gonna clean off my fingers because I feel like I'm gonna need fingers.
Hold
Got
the
it.
bag for me. Call me Austin Vanna Crank Donut.
I don't know why I'm blowing on it. It's not hot. Ooh.
Don't puke on me. Just it's
Alright.
hard. Hold the bag. Hold the bag.
So much pee!
Here, get the bag. Try to swallow. Try to swallow. If you swallow, you win. If you swallow, you win, dude.
I got it!
The aftertaste, dude. It like sticks to your teeth. Are you good? Look, your fingers clean.
I think I won't. That was disgusting, bro. Tell me I won't take another bite.
I think you got it after the first one. I think you're fine.
That looks terrible, dude.
It is. All the peas?
Yeah, dude.
I hate you all at once or what?
I hate peas.
You know what I did with the peas? I
Huh.
literally took the can, dumped out like all the juice, and like literally just went like this and just like shook it like a salt shaker all over it.
How you let him do this to me?
It was bad. It was bad.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching.
So,
It's the worst day of my life.
like, subscribe.
For our suffering.
If you
Make
want
sure to
to.
leave a like for our pain. Hashtag save Austin's gullet.